Hello and welcome to Mugman Reviews, where today we're going to be taking a look at the Marvel Legends Venom wave, Venom and Carnage. As these two look like they're about to go at it, let's take a look at the packaging, shall we? See, the packaging looks around the same, except with Venom. There's no thing saying Venom, because that would just be redundant. We got Carnage here. You know, it's Legend series, so I'm guessing Marvel Legends. Got some nice Carnage artwork right there. And a photo of him on the back, and some bios in other languages. If you'd like to read them, please pause. Forgive the glare on that one. And this is all part of the Monster Venom Build-A-Figure wave, and as you can see, he comes with the head. Which I'd love to build this Build-A-Figure, but I don't really have the funds to buy all these guys. I don't really feel like dealing with Spider-Ham. Same artwork on this side. Venom packaging. Same photos. Bio in multiple languages. Photo of the figure and his other head, and he comes with the right leg of the Monster Venom. Same kind of stuff, and let's go look at the figures, or first the accessories. So Carnage comes with two pairs of hands, one that's like a grabbing hand, the other that's, well, as you can see, an axe. The decapitated head, oh wait, that's just Cletus Cassidy. More sharp hand and guess a more normal one, you know, as normal as you can be when you don't cut your nails and they're this pointy. And also a symbiote thing that plugs into his back like so. Except you're doing it one-handed. Ain't he just purty looking? Now let's go look at Venom and his accessories, or lack thereof. Venom comes with a symbiote piece that ports into his back and an alternate head. See, I took a toxin hand and painted it all black, so he has at least one hand. I threw away the other arm because I had messed up the peg and used it for that Ultimate Venom custom, which I wish I still kept so then Venom could have another hand, but instead I tossed it away like a freaking moron. They're going to keep you as a paperweight! Oh, fuck you, Carnage, I need that, you dick. Oh yeah, and Venom comes with this leg, which is very nicely detailed. See all these veins and the articulation is pretty good on this. Would love to build the whole thing. Really would. Now, we have these two packaging and accessories and all that whatnot gone over. Let's get to it and take a look at the actual figures before they slaughter each other. You see, Venom has some nice paint apps aside from when you get black in there like that, but for the most part it looks pretty clean. It's cleaner on this side though it's a little bit misaligned. Black is like almost a matte black, like a slight gloss to it. I kind of wish it was more like the Thunderbolt's Venom. Well, it was originally one with that, you know, that you push the button on the back. He has that quivering jaw. But Hasbro's re-release had, like, better paint. And I like that a little bit more. If only it had something more like that rather than this. Also, his head seems really huge for no real reason. And the Venom head looks a bit too big, but it looks a bit more natural. Also, it has, like, this problem with, like, this where you, like, try to set it down and, well, you know, it's supposed to shift. There we go. I think he's like conquered it by just pushing it down really hard. Yeah. Also, I have like a tongue accessory I made for like that Ultimate Venom custom, but I could use it in here and it would look alright. Now, let's go over Carnage, which is a little bit better because, you know, this is all painted on, which is a little bit disappointing, unless you got a fine detail hot glue gun. But at least he has all these tendrils and stuff all over him, giving him that crazy look he so desperately needs. Yeah, and unfortunately only the back one is removable, but hey, still a good figure, and since I didn't get the original, or the original one of these two are pretty alright. And look at this Cletus Cassidy head. He looks terrifying and creepy, like a psychotic serial killer, you know, like he's supposed to be. If you ever wanted to make a Marvel Legends Joker, I think this is the head you'd want to use. Or would it be? You don't even know what I'm capable of without the symbiote. We smell bad, symbiote. And it ain't me. Bring it on, Grandpa! So taking a look at the articulation, Venom's head can move all the way down if you try real hard. And this far up. Got an ab crunch that goes that far forward and this far backward, you know, for like when he's getting kicked in the face by the Scarlet Spider. His arms move out about that far. Actually, yeah, just a little bit more. full 360 at the biceps, but I don't like twisting them because I think that, combined with exposure to the elements, is how my Amazing Spider-Man 2 figure got broken. Double jointed elbows, wrist hinge, yeah, side to side. He's got a waist swivel, which is capable of going 360 and like clicks and shifts, which is, I guess, good. His legs go out about this far for when he's trying to kick like Cletus in the shin, and this far forward, and that far back. It's got thigh rotation, as you can see, but on mine at least, it's a little stiff, or maybe it's because I'm just using one hand. I don't even know. Double jointed knees. Freaking shin swivel, which is absent on quite a few Spider-Man. What the hell has yeah, shin swivel. Ankle rocker, which moves all that far down and this far up. And of course, Hasbro's beautiful ankle pivot. Yeah, so this guy looks a lot better on camera than in person. A little light on him. And now, this job is only half done. We gotta go take a look at his offspring. Before we do that, his head can look all the way up on the Eddie Brock head and, well, all the way down. Alright, now with Carnage, his head can look this far down, well, you know, all the way down and all the way up. And with the Cletus Cassidy head, his head looks all the way up and, of course, all the way down. Maybe even slightly more down than his regular one. Huh. I don't know if it's just mine, but his right arm doesn't go out that far. Left arm a little farther. Bicep swivel, double jointed elbows. On this hand, you know, hinging that way, and, you know, the same as that hand. But with his axed hand, like the Infinite Series Black Cat, it hinges up and down. Yeah, so in here you can have him like running, having that, then just slash and got a bunch of policemen and like, what was that, Ravencroft? When Maximum Carnage happened, or was that Rikers Island? No, it was Ravencroft. I think. Deb Crunch is about this far forward, which definitely reminds me of that Amazing Spider-Man 2 wave. And about this far back, and also this piece doesn't really hinder it, you know. Waist swivel, his legs go out about, well, that far. No, not terribly far, and this far forward, that far back. Yeah, these thigh cuts are a little too loose, but hey, then it proves that this guy really has some stiff ones. And double jointed knees, you get the full range of motion there. Shin swivel. Where's that? No, yeah, that's calf rotation, sorry. So it's calf swivel. And he's got calf swivel when Spider-Man don't have calf swivel and all that. You know what, actually, I'm thinking about maybe just finding some figure that's broken on eBay and then just painting the legs the same blue as like the pizza Spider-Man and then swapping them. Okay, he's got ankle rock, which moves that far down, this far up, you know, like a normal foot. And Hasbro's styling ankle pivot. Why do I say styling? It's what I wanted to do when I first started out with these reviews. Don't know if I ever actually did. So I'm going to try to bring it back, then get bored of it in 2 weeks. It's actually a bit shorter than I thought. Check that out. He's like about 6.5 inches tall. No, I'm kidding. It's a little bit more. It's like almost like it's 7 inches, but I'm looking at it at an angle, so it looks worse. But, you know, with the camera, you can see it better than I can. So he's almost 7 inches. And Cletus, the inbred redhead that he is let's go with 6.5 inches. Alright, now, size comparison. Here he is standing next to my custom Ultimate Venom, complete with the Monster Venom head, which looks really cool on this guy. You can really see that purple on him. And, of course, the Matt Gargan Venom, whose eyes I painted white, but I'm probably going to repaint red now that I have this guy to be a normal Eddie Brock Venom. Kind of a shame you can't go recreating comic book art with that guy. Can do it with this guy, though. I have to prop this guy up, but here's Carnage standing next to, like, the Fearsome Foes re-release Carnage. Another one Hasbro did back in 2008. And he's actually a little shorter. Hey, you guys see that? Huh. You learn something new every day. Here they both are, standing next to the original hostess symbiote, unless you count that stupid retcon I hate, Spider-Man. And future host of the Carnage symbiote. Well, you know, he did have the Venom symbiote briefly in War. Planet of the Symbiotes. Yeah, and I think I like the scaling on these guys. It looks pretty good. Here's Carnage standing next to my Ultimate Spider-Man, and well, Ultimate Carnage is supposed to be like the same size as Peter, but this guy is really tall, so I don't know how I'm gonna make that custom. All I can say is I don't know if Peter should consider himself grateful he dealt with that other thing, or that he didn't have to deal with this. He is standing next to the vintage wave Captain America, and he's actually taller than Cap. And here they are standing next to the 12-inch, not technically Marvel icons, but, you know, Marvel Legends icons, but, you know, Marvel Legends 12-inch Spider-Man. Venom Party! Yeah! Crap. Well, that's my review, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day, everyone.